making it so difficult. Here's Jerseyville, Illinois, whelen 2910. I think it's a 2910. Out through the eye center window. It goes off every first Tuesday, 10 a.m. Again, there's the municipal building. And right where that siren used to be, there was the thunderbolt in that picture on the J. Man's siren app. I'm estimating that siren was installed back, I don't know when.
Insurance cards. I have that on my phone, that's alright. Yeah, can you email them to us? Yes. Hi, how can I help you after we get our email? Yeah. You have to have a seat at that desk over there. I will get you taken care of.
What? Yeah. Yeah. Sorry.
Is that insurance?
I'm almost done filming this one. I'll get an outside video of it when we get done with the appointment. But again, it goes off every first Tuesday, 10 o'clock a.m. each first Tuesday of every month. So at least I got a new siren than the ones at Lewis and Clark. But I film these most of the time. I don't know when I'm going to get the one by the fairgrounds. If we go back to the rodeo, maybe. But there we go. Let's go. Peace.